morning. We're here in Rancho Palos Verdes, starting the negative side waterproofing for this garage. There's some water intrusion from the edges, as you can see, from the brick area. I'd like to show you, this is the trench that we cut for the cauldrons. As you can see, it's about inch and a half both sides, the wall and the slab. Original plan was to do only 10 linear feet. We extended to 15 because we noticed the humidity condensation. Hey guys, we are done. This is our end result. As you can see, the trench is smooth and level. Everything is looking great. We just apply some curing spray that will help the wall curing faster. We've done 2 quotes over here, as well over here. You can see the trench is filled with material. This is the brick wall. This is the concrete wall. Everything is looking amazing.